This is one of the most unique and fabulous places I've been to. I want it for myself, and I think you will. It's 108 Howard Street in Byron, Georgia. This little town is the most quiet, serene little place. It's so fabulous, and yet all around it is business opportunities for everybody. But the wonderful thing about this house, the quaintness, the charm of this beautiful home, the seller has gone in and renovated the whole thing. There is so much space. It is so wonderful. And what's so unique about it, part of the house is a guest house that's connected, and both of them are 2 units that can be rented or leased for a lot of money. So you can actually Airbnb it and pay for anything about this house. So therefore you have no money to come out of pocket. It's amazing. This place is great. And all over, there's places that people need this. You've got the Ag Center. You've got the Warner Robins base. This charming house, 108 Howard Street in Byron, Georgia, has everything you've always wanted. Number one, it's got peace. It's got charm. It's got everything. It's got your workshops. They're air conditioned, by the way. It's got your garden place, air conditioned, by the way. It's got these carports and driveways. It's situated on the neatest little friendliest street you've ever seen. And you can lease the guest house in 2 different ways and pay for everything else. Well, and it's got dog runs all around for all the dogs. You can do whatever you want to here, but the main thing, you can enjoy tranquility and peace. This is heaven. This is very, very, very special. I personally have never seen anything quite like this, and I've seen a lot. This home, this oasis is so unique with its charm. It is amazing. You are in USA right here, and this is the South. It is so fantastic. This is a wonderful spot in Byron, Georgia. It is so quaint. It is so full of just amazing history, and the seller has renovated the whole thing from top to bottom. It is amazing. It is wonderful. You have a town guest house right there, with 2 separate places to lease. I just can't tell you how this place makes you feel. It makes you feel, and it's a moneymaker. Give me a call. Call JoJo Jones, 478-731-1302.